Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got a treat for us. I got this puppy right here. It's the HP 16-inch OmniBook. Now, a friend of mine got himself a new laptop. He said, hey, got myself a new laptop. Do you want to do unboxing? And you know I say, yes, I do. So I want to thank my brother D for allowing me to unbox his computer, because this is not mine, this is his computer. And again, this is the HP 16-inch OmniBook, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and get into some of the key specs on this. Now, normally this would run you around about, I think about $900 to $1,000. Right now you can get on sale at Best Buy for around about half of that. So that's really good. So some of the key specs are, you have a Intel Core Ultra 8 256V, up to 4.8 gigahertz, 8 cores memory. You have 16 gigabytes of DDR RAM on board. You have 1 terabyte storage. You have a 16-inch 2K display, 19 by 20 by 1200 multi-touch enable, IPS 400 nits. You have a graphic Intel Arc 140V graphics, 8 gigabytes in that. You have a 4-cell 84 lithium-ion polymer battery. It weighs 4.5 pounds, which is pretty good. Operating system is Windows 11, camera 5 megapixel camera with a privacy shutter, with one Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, one USB-C, one USB-C, 10 gigabits, 2 USB-A 10 gigabits, and one HDMI. And you have a headphone and mic combo. Okay, also has a 360 degree hand, so you could turn it into a tent, a tablet, or use it as a regular laptop. And this comes with the new AI features. Now, I don't know how much of that anybody's going to be using of the AI feature, but everything right now is AI. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Eagle eye view. This is how the box look close up. You can see this is all the stuff right there that is in here, right there. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open. I don't think I need a knife on this. We just gotta hit this right here. I might need my knife. Nope, don't need it. There we go. Okay, let's do it this way. All right, here we go. So the OmniBook Go Beyond. You see that? We're gonna see it. I don't know if you can see it, but it says up here, Go Beyond. Right there, Go Beyond. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and this is, well, okay. Let's put this to the side real quick. See what else we got in here. We have the books and stuff right here. Okay. We got the trolling stickers in here. Nope, no trolling stickers. I thought there would be some trolling stickers in here. Okay, all right, we have this, which is a USB-C. Nice braided cord. Nice braided cord. Nice braided cord. All right, so there we go. Pretty decent. All right. Right here. Do we have anything else in here? Nobody, you can see nothing else in here. All right, so this is supposed to be semi for creatives and, you know, light work, portable. It's not really meant for gaming. Well, not meant for gaming at all, but to get some work done. All right, so let's see what else we got here. Booyah. There we go. Now that's a beauty right there. Okay, this was a good unboxing sprint. That's how it looks, guys. We're gonna get a little closer. All right, but look, I do like that emblem. It's nice. All right, so we have the bottom grill, so if you get some air out of here, you know, get some nice little ventilation. Got some back vents here. All right, so what do we got on the side? We got USB-C. We got the microphone, the headphone mic jack combo. Sorry, guys, kind of stuttering. And on the other side, you have your USB-C charging. Charge this one 10 gigabits, I think, the full HDMI, and you have another USB-A. So that's about that. So on this, there's not too many other what is it called? Peripherals. And then open it up. We have a full-size keyboard. Now, full-size keyboard is okay. It looks really decent, guys. Okay. Ultra 7. Copilot plus PC. That's pretty good. Feels pretty good. Nice travel. Let's see if we can lift up the hands one time. Okay. That's not bad. Okay, that's not bad. All right, we got the speakers. So, guys, this is really a preview because I'm not going to review this. This is not mine to review. But what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and see how it looks when it charges up. Let's go ahead and see how it looks when it's charging up. So what we're going to do, guys, as you can see, there's one with the Thunderbolt on here. That means this is the one that's for charging up. So we're going to just go ahead and put that in there. Let's see. There it goes. See, it's charging up. So let's see. Does it have any other indication up here? No. So the only way you know it's charging up is by that little light that's on the side where the USB-C port is. All right, guys. Now, let you know, this charger is 65 watt. So what we're going to do, because it's not a gaming laptop, you should be able to charge it up. Say if you had one of these babies. Now, this is a 100 watt. So we're going to go ahead, put it now. Some of these batteries will tell you which one is laptop. That's one for laptop. So we'll put it in there. We're going to see if we can go ahead and see if this will charge up using a battery pack. Why not? Let's see. And there you go. So you can charge this using a battery pack. All right, that's good, guys. So you can do that because it's not a gaming laptop. You don't really need that much power to run it. Go ahead and cut it on. All right, guys, the on button is right here. You can see the white light right there. It's coming on. All right. Powered by AI. This is how it looks when it's, everything is. I like the way that screen looks, guys. I really do like the way the screen, and it's touch screen as well. So I got, I'm going to test out the speakers real quick. Let's see if we can get this. And this is going to be ran at 2K. And let's see how it sounds. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor J, coming back at you with another unboxing. And today, guys, we got this puppy right here. This is a power bank by M-Fish. Yes, I know I did the charge. Guys, it's pretty good. I do like the way the screen look. I like the fact that it is touchscreen. I like the way it look, guys. So what we're gonna do now? We're going to go ahead and get back to the regular view. Right, everybody, I am using the camera app, video camera app on the computer itself. How do I sound? Normally, most webcams look ferocious, and I don't think this is going to look no different. All right. Yo, I'm back to give you, not my final thoughts, but just give you what I think a little bit, because I'm doing this as a preview of the HP OmniBook 16-inch laptop. And guys, I think this is a good laptop. Not the best, but good laptop for the money. If you can get it at the half a price of $1,000, sometimes $1,100, that it's a good price. Get that. If you get it half, good price for this. Now, the build materials, guys, are pretty good. It's plastic. The grills are plastic, but the outer is, I think it said recycle aluminum. So it's pretty good. So it's pretty sturdy, and the keyboard really doesn't move that much. So it's pretty good. And you can see this doesn't move. This is moving because my desk doesn't move, but doesn't move that much. And I do, and now it's a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. You can't see it, but if you got greasy fingers, if you just got finished eating some chicken or some buffalo wings or anything that is a grease magnet, you will get it on here a little bit. Not bad, but a little bit. Also, guys, I do like the fact that you could hit it like a TP, like this, tablet and things like that. But 4 pounds is kind of heavy for a tablet. So I'm just hoping the hinges will last if my friend decides to use it like that. But, you know, the speakers were decent. When you looked at the video, we got this far, you looked at it. I think the video was decent. When I listened to one of the videos on here, it sounded decent to me. Also, the webcam is okay. Never seen a really good. None of the laptops I've ever had a very good webcam. So it is what it is on the webcam. You might need to buy you another webcam if you decide to have a better webcam. Now, also, one thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't have, and they say, oh, you know, it's for, no, I do say this is a good productivity. It's good for productivity. But we talk about creatives. Well, creatives need to be able to, you know, put an SD card in here, mini or regular, and it doesn't have none. So you will have to get yourself a dongle or, you know, someone with the SD card so you can hook it up through the USB-C or USB-A. Okay, guys. So I think this is a good buy if you can get it at the halfway point. I think normally this goes $1,100, and if you can get it at the halfway point between $500 to $600, I think this is a good buy. The screen is good. I think it's a decent buy, guys, okay? So that's what I think on the HP OmniBook 16-inch laptop. All right, guys. Hey, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments, would you get something like this for just a productivity? Something that you could take around. It's 4 pounds, so it is light enough for you to take around, but it's not as light as a, you know, laptops. I understand. I don't understand that swivel thing. So you're like, oh, I got a laptop. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I would say this is a pretty decent laptop for a preview. All right, guys. So, guys, yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Hey, guys, just want to thank my brother D for allowing me to unbox and set up his laptop for him. You have a good day. Peace.